Yes, yes, go, go. Actually, while you are moving, na, at the time of movement, it pop up.
Okay, now?
Go, go. I will tell you.
Okay, good morning students. Yesterday class we have discussed about the different methods of the differentiation. That is the fourth method, parametric differentiation is over. Now, this class we have discussed about the differentiation of one function with respect to the another function. Before what we discussed, the differentiation of the function with respect to x or with respect to y or with respect to t. You know, for suppose y is there, the differentiation of y with respect to x means dy by dx. The differentiation of t with respect to x means dt by dx. For suppose x is the function, the derivative of x with respect to y dx by dy. Okay. These all are completed in the before class. Okay. Now, here differentiation of the function with respect to the another function. For suppose let y is equal to f of x be the one function, z is equal to g of x be the other function. Y is equal to f of x be the one function, z is equal to g of x be the another function. Now the differentiation of y, what is clearly observed that the differentiation of y with respect to z, clearly observed, differentiation of f of x means y with respect to z. The differentiation of y with respect to z, that is dy by dz, that is we find. Finally, we will find the derivative of y with respect to x. The derivative of f of x with respect to g of x means the derivative of the function y with respect to z, that is dy by dz. Okay, my dear student, dy by dz. Now, first derivative of this one, working rule. Now, derivative, general derivative, derivative of y with respect to x, differentiating with respect to x. Now, dy by dx is equal f dash of x. Next, similarly here, the derivative of y, the derivative of z, differentiating with respect to x, z derivative with respect to x, dz by dx, that is g dash of x. What you find? The derivative of the function f of x with respect to g of x means derivative of y with respect to z, derivative of y with respect to z, that is dy by dz. How it is find? This one by this one. What happened? Dy by dx by dz by dx, that is equal to f dash of x by g dash of x. This is the general working rule. This is the working rule. First of all, in the examination point of view, find the derivative of log x with respect to x. Find the derivative of sin x with respect to cos x. Find the derivative of e power x with respect to x square. Find the derivative of sin x with respect to tan x. Find the derivative of tan inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square with respect to the cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. First we will derivative both the functions. First we will derivative. After that, you write this formula. By using before 4 methods, we will do the derivative. Okay, my dear students. Now we will go to the one problem. This is the working rule. How to do the working rule, you know very well. Now we are going to problem. For suppose, what the question is going on? Find the differentiation or derivative, whatever may be, derivative of, find the derivative of e power x with respect to log x. Find the derivative of e power x with respect to log x. Here two functions are there. This is e power x, this is log x. We will find the derivative separately. After that, this is for suppose y, this is z. The derivative of y with respect to z, the derivative of y with respect to z means dy by dz we will find. Okay, my dear student. Now, y is equal to e power x, y is equal to e power x, let z is equal to log x. Now, both two are differentiating with respect to x. Now, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to e power x derivative is e power x, z is equal to log x, dz by dx is equal to log x derivative is 1 by x. This is y, this is z. Read once. The derivative of y with respect to z. The derivative of y with respect to z, that is dy by dz. That equal this one by this one. dy by dx by dz by dx, that equal e power x by 1 by x. 1 by x reciprocal means x into e power x. X into e power x. Okay. In this type we will do the problems. Okay, my dear students. Now we will go to the next problem. Find the derivative of x power x with respect to, find the derivative of x power x with respect to, for suppose, tan inverse of x. Find the derivative of x power x with respect to tan inverse of x. Same way, let y is equal to x power x, first function. Second function z is equal to tan inverse of x. Now differentiating with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to derivative of x power x. Derivative of x power x. The derivative of x power x is equal to, already before class I explained. You remember that formula. What is the derivative of x power x? X power x into 1 plus log x. 1 plus log x. Now it is over. Now this one, differentiating with respect to x. dz by dx is equal to, what is the derivative of tan inverse of x? 1 by 1 plus x square. Now the derivative of y with respect to z, that is dy by dz, that equal dy by dx by dz by dx, that equal to x power x into 1 plus log x by 1 plus x square. This will goes to the numerator, x power x into 1 plus log x into 1 plus x square. These are the, this type we will do the problems. Okay, my dear students. Now we will go to the next problem. We will go to the next problem. This is very, very important one. Find the derivative of tan inverse of root over 1 plus x square minus x minus 1 by x. Find the derivative of tan inverse of root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by x with respect to tan inverse of x. With respect to tan inverse of x. With respect to tan inverse of x. Okay, my dear students. Now this is one function, that is other function. You know that in the substitution method already I explained this. Here a square plus x square type is there. Whenever a square plus x square, what is the substitution is going on? X is equal to a tan theta or x is equal to a cot theta. A value is here 1. Now substitution is going on. X is equal 100% tan theta. Not a tan theta. A value is 1 here. Now let y is equal to, we will take. Let y is equal to tan inverse of root over 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Once we verify the substitution method. In the substitution method I explained so many problems. In that one, this is one of the problem. Okay, that's why we will do the before methods. We will practice the before methods. This method is very, very easy. Depends on the before methods. This is the substitution method, that is general tan inverse x derivative. Okay, my dear students. Now tan inverse of this one. Put x is equal to tan theta. Here theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Substitute, what is going on? Y is equal to tan inverse of 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta means, okay, now substitute, minus 1 by denominator is tan theta. Now y is equal to tan inverse of root over 1 plus tan square theta means secant square theta, that is secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. Okay, my dear students. Now y is equal to tan inverse of, now secant theta means 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta. Now LCM is cos theta cancel. What is going on? Y is equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta. Here LCM is cos theta 1 minus cos theta by cos theta. Okay, now that is equal tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta formula you know very well, 2 sin square theta by 2 by sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Now 2 cancel, sin square sin cancel, what is the remaining? Sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2, that equal tan theta by 2. Tan inverse tan theta by 2 must and should belongs to in the interval minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, that equal to theta by 2. That is 1 by 2 into theta. What is the theta? Theta means tan inverse of x. Now this is y. Now differentiating with respect to x. Now dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is the derivative of tan inverse of x? 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of tan inverse of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. This is over. Now we will go to the, this is y. What about z? Z is equal tan inverse of x. Differentiating with respect to x. dz by dx is equal to tan inverse of x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now what happened? This is dy by dx, that is dz by dx. This function is y, this function is z. The derivative of y with respect to z. The derivative of y with respect to z nothing but the dy by dz we want. Dy by dz means this one by this one. Okay, that is 1 by 2 into 1 plus x square by 1 by 1 plus x square. This one cancel. What about the answer? The answer is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, once you remember that one, what is going on? First, what is the derivative of that one? Here, in this way. Okay, my dear students, we will go to the next problem. Find the derivative of this one. So, before methods, we learn the before methods. Okay, very nicely. We will do very easily. Otherwise, we cannot do anything. First, read the formulas carefully. Okay, step by step, we learn each and every video. Okay. Next, differentiating log of sin x with respect to the root cos x. Next question, log of sin x with respect to the root cos x. The derivative of log of sin x with respect to the root cos x. Okay, now we will go to the y is equal to. Let y is equal log of sin x. First differentiating with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x. Now dy by dx is equal, this is log x. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by sin x. Again sin x derivative is cos x. That equal to cos x by sin x. Cos upon sin, that equal to cot x. This is dy by dx. Now we will go to the next one. Z equal root cos x. Now differentiating with respect to x, dz by dx, root x means 1 by 2 root x, 2 root cos x into minus sin x. Cos x derivative minus sin x. What about this one? Minus sin x by 2 root cos x. Now we will find the derivative of y with respect to z, means dy by dz we will find. Now dy by dz is equal to this one by this one. Cot x means cos x by sin x by minus sin x by 2 root cos x. Okay, my dear students, this is cos that equal to 2 into cos x into root cos x means cos power 3 by 2x by sin x into sin x, sin square x, in between minus is there, minus 2 cos power 3 by 2 x by sin square x. Okay, that is enough. Next question, the differentiation of, next question, derivative of sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square with respect to the tan inverse of x. With respect to tan inverse of x. Very, very important questions. Now remember, derivative of sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, derivative of cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse of x. Derivative of tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square with respect to the tan inverse of x. We will do in the same way. Okay, my dear students. Okay, remember each and every problem. Don't by heart. Okay, we will go to the working rule. Let y is equal to sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. What the substitution is going on? 1 plus x square, a square plus x square, master sheet, x is equal to a tan theta or cot theta. Therefore, x is equal to tan theta. Therefore, theta is equal to tan inverse of x. Now, y is equal to sin inverse of 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, y is equal to tan inverse of, we know this, sin inverse of, what is the formula this one? Sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. That equals sin inverse, sin cancel, that is 2 theta. Now, y is equal to 2 into theta. Theta means tan inverse of x. Now, differentiating with respect to x. What happened? This is dy by dx is equal to constant. Tan inverse of x means 1 by 1 plus x square. That equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. This is the derivative of y with respect to x. Next, we will go to the second one. This function is over. Next, this is z. Z equal tan inverse of x. Now, derivative of z with respect to x. Y, the function in terms of x. Differentiating with respect to x. Now, dz by dx is equal to tan inverse of x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Now, dy by dz. Why dy by dz? The derivative of y with respect to z. That is this one by this one. Dy by dx by dz by dx. That equal to 2 by 1 plus x square by 1 by 1 plus x square. 2 by 1 plus x square by 1 by 1 plus x square. These two are cancelled. What about the answer? The answer is equal to 2. Very simple method. Okay? I think you are understand this problem. Okay, my dear students. Now we will go to the next problem. Differentiate x power sin inverse of x power sin inverse of x with respect to sin inverse of x. X power sin inverse of x with respect to sin inverse of x. Now, x power sin inverse of x. Function power function means it is a logarithmic differentiation. We will go to the logarithmic differentiation. Okay, my dear students. Now, take y is equal to, first of all, you will take the y. Y is equal to x power sin inverse of x. Taking the logarithm on both sides. Why? Because this is function power function. That's why must and should you take the logarithm on both sides. Log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Log y is equal to log of x power sin inverse of x. Log y is equal to sin inverse of x into log x. Sin inverse of log e to the power of m formula, m log e. Now differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Log y derivative 1 by y derivative dy by dx. Here uv method 100%. uv method, product rule. Sin inverse of x into 1 by x plus log x into sin inverse of x derivative 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to y into sin inverse of x by x plus log x by root over 1 minus x square. Now, what about y? Y means x power sin inverse of x. Okay, my dear students. Next, this is z. Z is equal to sin inverse of x. Therefore, dz by dx is equal 1 by root over 1 minus x square. But suppose we will take the common, no problem at all. Now, dy by, write the answer, dy by dz. This one by this one. What happened? Y into sin inverse of x by x plus log x by 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now take the numerator LCM. What happened? For suppose here x into root over 1 minus x square. Therefore 1 minus x square cancel. Remaining is only x. Y by x. Understood or not? Okay, write this one. LCM is x into root over 1 minus x square. Here root of 1 minus x square into sin inverse of x plus x into log x by 1 by root of 1 minus x square. this one cancel. That equal what is the remaining? Y by x into root of 1 minus x square into sin inverse of x plus x log x. For suppose we write the y, what is y means? X power sin inverse of x, no problem at all. X power sin inverse of x. Now we will go to the next problem. Differentiate tan inverse of